It's another sunny Sunday here on the farm in Thailand with Toon and Leigh. And what we're doing today, well, we're in different quarters today, me and Toon. Me personally, I've been given a multitask morning, which is consisting of making a Christmas list for Toon. Not the stuff that I want from her. Apparently it's what I'm supposed to be getting her. I've been processing corn, and also what have I been doing? I've been ordered to go through my drawer and throw out all my holy pants. They're all out, but don't tell her I have kept my two favourite pairs. They're just so comfy. Right, Toon, as you know, it's not a normal woman. She doesn't like playing with dolls, and she doesn't sit in front of a mirror all day playing with her hair and painting her nails. She likes to get down and dirty with machinery. So I'm just going to pop over there and show you what she's doing. She's just over there. Tiny little dot there, Mrs. Crabtree. Right, let's go over there and see what she's fiddling with. She's under the bonnet of Elvis, our Big M Nissan. So I'm not joking, guys. I've been processing corn all morning, and well, not all morning, but while Toon was doing breakfast. So we've been collecting loads and loads of free corn from the farm that's opposite, where he just torched it. I don't know how many kg we've got, but we've got loads and loads. I've still got loads to do. All these are still full with corn. I don't think we've bought any food for the birds for about 3 weeks. I think we got enough to feed them for about 6 months. Right, here she is, and our famous Nissan.
Doing for ages.
I've
done it now.
I've been doing my jobs you gave me, haven't I?
You throw your pants away?
Yep, all of them.
Yeah, good. If I find out you sneaky hide them, you big trouble.
What are you doing? Tell everyone what you've been doing, missus.
Put battery on when my husband can't do it.
Can't do it or too busy to do it?
You can't do it.
Right, okay. I bloody can't do it with that thing. I'm not sure that's the right
It's
tool.
Elvis. I know that you own nearly same my husband own, can't do much thing, but have to keep it. No choice.
So apart from the battery was dead.
Fucking the filter, is it? Fuel pump?
Fuel pump?
What you call them?
Fuel pump?
Yeah, I think so.
That's not the fuel pump, is it?
What is it here? Yeah, for press to go in here. This. For what you call them? Press your car.
The accelerator wasn't working, was it?
Yeah, wherever. It's still our money already. On Elvis. Same only. Not much better, but I have to keep it. It's no choice. That's why our God gonna be hungry. They've been figured. Next day they put this back in. They start the engine. Perfect. They say you better leave quite badly. But I don't think it's fucking bad luck. But next day start dead. I'm going to trace them to get it back. Wow. Drop 300 baht for that.
Yeah, so how much was the battery, and what trade-in did it give you with the old battery?
3,000 for battery. And 300 for trade.
So 2,700
Not too bad.
for a new battery. And what was the damage for the new pump and them fitting it?
Alaya.
The new fuel pump that they put in.
Oh. This?
No, that's where you check your oil, isn't it? No, I said how much was it, because they had to come here, didn't they, and do it?
11,000. Is that right?
Yeah, 11,000.
11,000. And gonna be another problem. This what you call pump brake.
Yeah, we thought we had air in the brakes. Then we thought it was the brake fluid not high enough. We've had both checked, and Apparently there's no pressure on the brake, so you've
I'm
got to
not
pump the
allowed
brake
to
a bit.
drive anymore.
That's right, until it's sorted out. So
No
that's the
brake.
next job. What did he say that would be? The worst?
If the pump broken, if this bit broken, have to change this bit. If they check this bit fine, they have to change something on this. I don't really know what you call about the car. I only can drive. Don't know about how to fix them. But anyway, I know how to put battery back on when my husband can't do it.
Right, well, let's see if you've done it right then, missus. Let's see if Elvis lives.
You want me to start it?
Yeah. People won't believe you can do it if you don't do it, will they?
Finger crossed, guys.
You haven't left it in gear, have you? Otherwise it'd be going through the solar power room.
Dunno. Where's the handbrake?
Yeah, handbrake going on is good, yeah.
Woohoo!
Bit of power, missus. Let's hear that baby roar. No, don't turn it off. Give it some power.
Where?
Oh, no. Is it left, right, or middle for power? Listen to those horses.
Before we don't have this sound.
You want to go for a romantic drive?
Go cut katin for the
Oh,
goat.
that's not what I meant.
we do.
It's not what I meant, is it?
Have to. That's what we are.
There's a couple of other things that we're going to get our building chap to do. Basically to reconstruct the whole cage. So this we load right up to the rafters with Lucina, which Toon calls Gatin. And since we've had it, well, ever since we've had it, the old structure has needed a bit of patching up. So
This is my uncle's car.
yeah, Toon's late uncle that passed earlier in the year. So we did get it at a ridiculously cheap price of 30,000 baht. It's now cost us 11,000 for the pump and the labour and another 2,700. We did get reconditioned tyres. Not reconditioned tyres, but we did get a new set of tyres all round. What were they each, Toon? Because they're not brand new.
They do brand new. 800 baht.
New to us, 800 baht each.
Brand new, like cheap. But whatever my nephew can to earth, show them about 4 tires.
Yeah, Toon's young nephew, Leigh, got us some Bridgestones. So when these tyres give up the ghost, because in the wet season it was a flipping nightmare, we got some Bridgestones to go on here.
Stuck every single bit.
Yeah, we've had quite a few frogs. Right, missus, that's it then, isn't it? Toon the mechanic. I'm not sure changing the battery makes you a mechanic.
I take it out, I put it in, I start the car, it's work.
Well, I take it out and put it in sometimes, but that doesn't make me a mechanic.
That car owns same you anyway. I'm gonna go check your drawer. Make sure you throw your pan back out. That why I'm gonna put on your face when you go streamer. Put your note out. Come on, go check your pan.
Oh, I love a Sunday.